Today's recipe is Little Lamb's slightly gourmet Indomie Mi Goreng, freshly made fried onions and garlic. Over the years, the way we cooked our Indomie Mi Goreng has evolved into something a little more gourmet. It takes a little extra work, but it is totally worth it. We use everything in the packet except the fried shallots because freshly fried onions and garlic taste even better. We will add extra sauce that will be caramelized to give the noodles that extra oomph and dimension. Paired with sweet vegetables and runny yolk, you can't go wrong with this combination. First up, thinly slice one onion for frying. The thinner, the better. If it is too thick, the frying process will take longer. Next, thinly slice one clove of garlic. We'll fry this into garlic chips. For the stir-fried vegetables, our original recipe uses thinly sliced beans only. However, we didn't have many on hand, so we thinly sliced up some cabbage, capsicum and one bean instead. You can use any vegetable of your choice. Just make sure to slice them up thinly so they cook quickly and evenly. Next, roughly chop one clove of garlic to fry with our vegetables. For garnish, slice up one spring onion. The next question now is to break or not to break. This little lamb likes to break instant noodles in half before cooking. Place the instant noodle into a heat-proof bowl and pour in boiled water to loosen the noodles. We want to undercook these noodles at this point as we will be frying them later. Strain and rinse the noodles in cold water to stop the cooking process. Then set aside to drain. Because fried onions take the longest to cook, we will prepare that first. In a small pan or pot, pour in approximately 2 tablespoons of oil. Place in the onions and cook on medium to low heat. It is important to continuously move the onions in the oil so they fry evenly. Add more oil if needed. Once you see the onions start to change color, turn the heat down to low. Continue to stir the onions until they are almost done. We want to remove the onions at this point because they will continue to cook after we have removed them. Here is an image of the stages to give you a better idea. In the remaining oil, place in the thinly sliced garlic. Same as the onions, we want to move them around so they cook evenly. The garlic will fry quicker, so make sure to keep an eye on them and remove them just before they are done. We do not want to overcook them as they'll go very bitter. In a medium-sized pan on high heat, add oil and garlic. Cook for a few seconds, then add in your vegetables. Stir fry until soft, then mix in white sugar, about half to 1 teaspoon depending on your level of sweetness. Add about a quarter cup of water and continue to cook on low heat until a small amount of liquid is left. Remove from pan and set aside. In the same pan, on low heat, empty the seasoning packet onto the pan. Discard the fried shallots as they will only soak up the sauce. Plus, we made our own. Squeeze in the 3 packet sauces and add extra sauce of your choice. Here I added Gourmet special chili garlic sauce, oyster sauce, plus a small amount of oil. This next part is important. We want to mix the sauce and slowly caramelize it. You'll notice the sauce will start to bubble and separate. Spread the sauce around the pan and place your noodles on top. Do not mix or flip the noodles at this point. Instead, just shake the noodles back and forth like this. We want the noodles to soak up the sauce from the bottom, so only parts of the noodles are crispier with extra sauce. This will create bursts of flavours in the noodles alone. Once most of the sauce has been soaked up, mix and flip the noodles for about 20 seconds. Next, we'll cook up a few pieces of seafood in garlic butter. You can replace this with any meat of your choice or omit it completely. Lastly, we cannot forget our sunny side egg. Now we are ready to plate up. Place the noodles on one side, veg on the other. To avoid the noodles from getting soggy, drizzle a small amount of the sweet stir-fried vegetable sauce on top. Add the seafood, egg, and the gorgeous sweet and savoury fried onion and garlic. Garnish with some fresh spring onion and get ready to dig in. My favourite part is popping the egg yolk over the noodles. The creaminess of the yolk with noodles is absolutely delicious. You can enjoy this dish while deconstructed or give it a mix to enjoy all the flavours in one bite. How do you like to eat your Mi Goreng noodles? Comment below. We'd love to hear from you.